All right, thank you everybody for showing up and for the people that haven't. I'm going to do a recap anyway at the end of this, but again, I just want to keep it short and sweet, 5 minutes, no more. Go through rates, whether the program or what am I seeing in the market, something that's as valuable to you, anybody out there, even your clients, if it's something you want to share. So as of this week, rates are at just a little bit under 6.5%, which they bumped up because of the war. As of after the war, they shot up a little bit, but we're still better than we were a year ago. As you can see, a year ago we were at 6.625, so we're a quarter point better. And then that's on a 30-year fix, and on a 15-year fix, we're about an eighth of a point to a quarter point better from last year. So all signs still show that the market is improving as far as affordability, even with the bump in the interest rates. And just to kind of give you some live update, I mean, interest rates have been improving the last 3 days. So hopefully this calms down and this slide will represent that next week. Now, the program I did want to go over is something that we came out with about 3 weeks ago now. And what happens is with an FHA borrower, you're allowed to get up to 6% seller concessions. And normally we're trained that can only go towards closing cost and or prepaid, which is like your taxes and insurance. Where with this particular program, you can use the seller concessions to basically offset up to 6 mortgage payments for the borrower. Only thing they're responsible to cover is just the interest portion of the actual monthly mortgage. I'm sorry, the principal portion of it. This covers the interest portion of it. So what this is good for is that buyer that is up against the lease doesn't end for 6 months or 3 months or timing. They want to wait. So rather than waiting, they can buy something today and take advantage of where the home buying prices are, where the rates are today. So this is a good program that we just came out with about 3 weeks ago. We just saw a need in the market, so we just fulfilled it. And again, it's nothing weird that you guys have to do, which is more just a standard FHA loan that we can use as our concessions now instead of just on closing costs or prepaids to offset a mortgage payment for about 6 months. So it's a good tool to use. So if you have any questions, let me know. As always, I will put this into YouTube as far as a recap. But again, this is something that we like to do every week just to make sure that everybody's on the know. But if you have any questions, just let me know. I'm here for them, and I will see you guys next week.